I just look up to the sky when I'm feeling. She just an angel with eyes of a demon. She icicle nitrogen type to be screaming. When no one around, she gon' write for me scheming. Even if seeming, I dream to be born again.
What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing the 1320 shifter. Here's what it looks like when you get it. These are going to be out. These are the adjustments to adjust how far it'll go, and that this bottom plate will be off. So that's all I did was bolt the plate on. I started doing work already, so I already took apart. You're going to need to take apart your interior, and you're going to want to put it in there. And as you can see, I already marked the bolt holes that need to be drilled. So I cut the old shifter out because this bolt was actually stripped. But you're going to need to take all this out. And I got the holes marked. So I'm going to go ahead and drill those holes and show you just how easy it is to install the shifter. And basically all I wanted to show you, what it does is eliminates this entire bar for the shifter. And the only one you use is the actual linkage for the shifter on the trans itself. This whole bar gets eliminated. You only have one linkage then instead of two. So that's what makes it pretty cool, is you eliminate one bar. So it's a little bit of weight reduction, but not really, because this is solid. This is all solid. So, and you can still put your regular shifter on. But let's get these holes drilled real quick, and I'll be right back. We just got done drilling the holes and putting the bolts through. It's not tightened down because I need somebody else to hold the top while I'm underneath tightening it, but we're going to do that. I just got to help the wife take down Christmas lights because, yeah, we still have Christmas lights up. But I got to help her take those down, and then she's going to hold the top, and I'm going to slide underneath and tighten it up. My only concern is if we're going to have any fitment issues. Oh, no, look at that. It'll fit right in there. So, I got somebody dropping off a shift linkage hopefully today. But essentially, that's what you do. 4 bolts bolted in, and your one linkage will bolt down to that. So, let me go help her get these Christmas lights down real quick and get this tightened down. There's 2 washers, small washer, Allen head, small washer, and then on the underside, then you go big washer on the bottom, your 4 big washers, and then nut. Boom, boom. This little spacer is for if your linkage is wide, you know what I mean? It's like just a spacer to go in between, you know what I mean? But that's what the spacer's for. Probably not going to need that, because I usually just tighten the shit out of them. So let me go get these Christmas lights down, and I'll be right back with you guys in like 10 or 15 minutes, but it's going to seem like a second to you anyway, so I'll be right back. So, after a little struggling and everything, I got most of the interior back in just so you can get an idea. But it's in, bolted tight. I have no bolts on the seat, so I'm going to fall. This is what it looks like. I kind of put this shifter in, or this hammer in there. But as you can see, you can still run your factory plastics. Nothing gets in the way. The height is decent. You can adjust these once the the motor's in and everything. You can adjust them so then you don't have any unnecessary back and forth. You know what I mean? So it could just be like, boom, 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 whatever. So that's it for now. The shift link is supposed to come today. A friend of mine is supposed to be dropping it off. So if that happens, I'm going to get the motor off the engine hoist. I'm going to take the old flywheel off, put the new flywheel on, and clutch kit and everything, and I want to drop the motor today, but we'll see. It's really nice out, you know what I mean? So I got the weather on my side. Just need some energy. So that's it for now. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace. Alright guys, so it's been a while since the last clip that you've seen. Still in the shifter from 1320. The reason it's been so long is I didn't have a shift linkage. Hold on a second, let me turn this music down real quick. The reason it's been a while is I didn't have a shift linkage. I had the single cam shift linkage, but I didn't have a B series one. A good friend of mine, Zach, came and dropped off a B series shift linkage so I could finish this video. It's been almost a month since I started the install, but it is now in. I'll put a picture in right now of what it looks like underneath. I didn't get a picture underneath, and the car's put down now, so I'm not gonna crawl underneath there, but I'll put a picture in right now. In the picture of what it looks like underneath, for the most part, this is what it looks like from above. I already showed you pretty much what that looks like. Now there's a little bit of play in side to side, as you can tell, and that's because I don't have the actual bitch pin in there in the transmission where the linkage connects. I don't have the bitch pin. I lost it. I have a bolt and a nut holding it in right now. But as for shifting, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, my seat's moving, it's not bolted in, I'm kind of like seesawing, fifth, and reverse. It is really, really notchy. It feels amazing. I gotta adjust right here. As you can see, there's adjustment on each side. I have to adjust those, which I left this rubber on here because I figured it would calm down on the noise, but I'm gonna have to take that off. Second, third, fourth, fifth. It feels amazing. Like, as so far, this is probably one of my favorite shifter setups I've ever had. One, just because it's not your basic one. Like, it bolts to the thing. You eliminate one of the things. I got a real shit show down there with bolts and spacers and all types of shit, but it works for now. But I mean, it just feels real sturdy. Like, you know what gear you're going into, and it's nice and short. So if anybody wants one of these shifters, 1320 performance, it is a 1320 performance shifter, EG, EK, DC, CRX, I'm not sure. It wasn't listed, so I'm not 100% sure, but I am going to try to get in contact with 1320 and see if I can't get you guys a coupon code or something like that, something to help you guys out a little bit on the price, just a little bit. So if I do happen to get that coupon code, I'm gonna put it on my Instagram, and I'll say it in one of the videos that is up and coming. So be on the lookout for that. I'm not saying I'm gonna get it, but I'm gonna ask. I'm gonna see what's up, because so far I'm the only person that has done a YouTube review and install this, and I can honestly tell you, like, I'm not BSing for the camera. This is a really well put together shifter. I mean, this is solid. Just the construction of it in general. I mean, it's got the nice bearings in here, so it's nice and smooth when it is going back and forth. And it's just a nice flex also, because I mean, nobody has one of these. It's not like a big thing yet, but I can see that it will be a big thing really soon. So get one before everybody else gets one, and then you could get your flex on. So shout out to all my subscribers. Shout out 1320 Performance for making a great product. I love it. I really do. I'm actually really excited. like I said in the earlier clip, I believe I said it was kind of a shot in the dark. I seen the price and I was kind of like, is it worth it? I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give these guys a shot, man. And you know what I mean? I gave them a shot, and I'm glad I did in 100 ways. And this is not. I'm not getting paid for this. They're not sending me anything. This is my honest opinion and honest review on this shifter. And just, I think they got something here that's going to take over, and we're gonna get. And like I said, it also eliminates one of your linkages, so that's also cool. So that's it for this video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you dig it. Oh wait, hold on, give me a second. Oh, let me get out of here. All right. Like I said, it's not. I'm not getting paid for this review or anything like that. I want that to be 100% clear that I legitimately like that product. So we got the hood over here. Painted the hood black. Underside of it's satin black. Motor's in. We're working on intercooler piping and shit. Be on the lookout for that video. But yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to, show you guys the shifter, show you guys the install slightly, and what it looks like in. So, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Peace.